occur.
Australian doctors are celebrating a milestone program which has changed thousands of lives. For 20 years, specialists have been providing training and resources to counterparts in Mongolia.
Their efforts have dramatically improved the country's health sector and helped countless families.
When a life is at stake, time is precious. Mistakes can be fatal. A surgeon's talent is tested. And in most operating rooms in Mongolia, the patient's life depends on those taught by Australians.
They're always teaching us. We really appreciate their help.
They've been helping for 2 decades. Each year since 1998, members of the Australian Society of Anaesthetists visit hospitals across Mongolia. They train local doctors and doctors-to-be, donate high-tech equipment, and stack the library shelves with textbooks they write and translate themselves.
Now we are using second edition because the first printing is already gone.
This is a health system in great need of outside help. Mongolia is still dealing with the legacy of an underfunded Soviet system. Just a few years ago, large areas of the country were without medical coverage. Patients were sent abroad for basic surgeries. Specialists were using outdated, dangerous practices.
The expectation in Mongolia at the time was you went to hospital and the expectation was you would die or may die from anaesthesia.
That's now a thing of the past. Thanks to Australian assistance, hundreds of extra anaesthetists have been trained to international standards. The maternal mortality rate has fallen around 95%. Melbourne University's Dr. David Pescott and his Interplast colleagues have been helping get specialists to remote areas of Mongolia.
It's a beautiful thing when you can go and you see children who have fallen into fires and they've got 2 burnt hands which have contracted, and now they're getting the surgery they need and they can restore the function of a hand, which really restores the whole life.
Australian researchers are also helping draft legislation to improve vaccination programs, and the Cancer Council Australia inspired a Mongolian equivalent.
The people who live in Australia, they are very special people. They want to share and they want to help to each other and to other people.
So many people have been supported in 20 years, thanks to a special relationship that's likely to last much longer. Brent O'Halloran, Sky News, Ulaanbaatar.
Now for a check of the latest weather and